Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into mining blocks. We're going to be checking out how our account is progressing. We're also going to be looking at a big update that's come to the platform, and I've got a couple of payment proof for you as well. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we're here in mining blocks. And it has been 4 weeks, so like nearly a month basically, since the last time we were in here. And quite a bit has changed with our account. This is not going to be a long update. I just want to go over a few things, especially the update that has come to the platform, which I think is quite big. I think it's quite big, and I think it will get utilized quite a lot. So we're going to be looking at that. But first, like I say, it's been 4 weeks since the last time we were in here. So let's quickly run through the numbers. So 4 weeks ago, our H power was 521 gigahashes, pretty much. And you can see here, we are now up to 539, or pretty close to 540 gigahashes. So that's quite a nice jump. That's basically a jump of 20 gigahashes in 4 weeks, which I'm quite happy with. Bonus, our power bonus was at 29.4. You can now see we're at 34%. So that is basically a boost of 4.5%, pretty much. So again, that is a nice jump. And obviously, the higher that percentage goes, that all helps with increasing power and stuff like that, which then increases your earnings as you're mining more in the pool that you've elected to be in. And hopefully you're moving up those rankings in the pool as well. Okay, so the update I'm talking about is if we go into inventory. I think there's been a few small adjustments to the platform. I think there's been a few more accounts that have been banned. I think that there's been a few tweaks to things like on the offer walls and the PTC ads and stuff like that. There's been a few tweaks here and there, but nothing massively impactful to the platform, I don't feel. But if we scroll down here in miners, okay, so the update I'm on about is the fact that we can now gift miners to other people on the like other members on the platform, but it can only be from your inventory. So you used to be able to go into the store and actually gift miners direct from the store. The only things we can gift from the store now are expansion packs and power units, which I think are still pretty useful, because at the end of the day you can have all the miners in the world, but if you haven't got any power, then it doesn't help, does it? So, and obviously if you haven't got the space to put those miners in, then again it doesn't help. So I think they are pretty important anyway. But now, like I say, from your inventory you can gift miners to other members. Now what this means, and for those of you that have been following my channel for quite some time, you will know that I like to do live streams. I don't do them very often, but I do like to do them. But normally when I do them, I always try and make them a little special for you. So now, I have the ability to gift miners to other members. I might be doing a live stream for mining blocks in the near future. I don't know how near in the near future it will be, but I will be looking to do one and probably do some kind of miner giveaway and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about mining blocks, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to a tutorial in the description. Now that's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earning yourself some of these free coins. But if you go right the way to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. And then finally, what we want to look at is payment proof. So basically, over the last few weeks, I've actually done a couple of withdrawals. So if we drop into our Faucet Pay, so we go into user dashboard, and then basically here at the top, you can see mining blocks right there. 3matic. We did, that was on the 5th of May, 2024. And if we scroll down, go to the next page, somewhere in here, we also got 4 million derivatives of SOL, and that was landed in our wallet on the 25th of April, 2024. So for me, obviously, even though they're separated by a couple of weeks, but the most recent one is the 5th of May. That means I have confidence in this program. I do feel that this program is heading in the right direction. It does definitely seem to be stable. It has been around now for, I believe, over 4 years, 3 to 4 years at least, and which is all brilliant. But that does not mean that I would suggest that you go and pile thousands of dollars into this looking for some kind of quick return. I would never suggest that. Basically, if you want to invest in this program, I'll always say with any of the programs that I promote, or really any programs that you're looking at on the internet, if you can invest using free crypto that you've earned from other faucets, then that for me is always the best way. Because if the site goes down that you've invested in, then the only thing you've really lost is the time it took you to build up those coins. Yes, it's massively annoying when stuff like that happens, but it means that you've not actually lost any money from your bank. But if you feel you want to invest and the only way to do it is from money from your bank, then just make sure you are using money you can afford to lose. Because as I've said in the past, none of these programs are 100%. Nothing is guaranteed. Anything can happen. Anything can change at any time. So just be vigilant and think about it. Use a bit of common sense. And like I say, only use spare cash, meaning money you can afford to lose. Okay, so that is pretty much all I wanted to bring to you. Just something short and sweet, just giving you an update on those things. So if you can smash that like button, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.